Hi guys, I'm Paul with Fantascape.
I'm Desirae, also with Fantascape.
Today we're gonna make some sushi.
Yay! Tuna and an imitation crab with the avocado for the California rolls. I have this water with sugar, salt, and vinegar in it, and we are going to put our rice inside to make it sticky rice, and we will make our sushi. I'm going to mix this with our rice, make the whole bowl sticky rice. It smells really vinegary.
While she does that, I'm gonna cut the avocado up.
Here's your sticky rice. We're wetting our hands so that we can use them for the sticky rice, so that we don't make huge mess and get rice all over our hands. Now, we will, what are we gonna do, Paul?
Cut it open with a knife.
One sheet of the seaweed.
Trust us, we're professionals.
We have successfully filled the entire seaweed wrap with rice. And now, we will insert it all in the bamboo. There we go. You could cut your fingers off first.
Pretty much. Bluefin tuna costs $10,000 a pound.
It's actually $13.99 per pound, but that's alright. We were only off by $500 million.
So make sure you put your fingers like this, that way they're flat, so you don't cut off your fingertips. Hold the blade like this, that way you get lots of control over it. And just a nice easy motion, let the knife do the work. That was a terrible cut. There we go, that was better.
Now we will hold it in place just so that it all sticks together. We don't lose any ingredients along the way, even though I have seaweed stuck to my fingers. Paul is obviously the professional here. I quit. Alright.
Some of these are like really thick pieces. Oh.
This is obviously going to be Paul's piece.
Because I'm fat. I mean...
Here's your imitation crab bag.
Yes. Here's avocado. Top it off. Important step.
Remove the plastic before opening.
Next we have teriyaki sauce. Just drizzle that on. As much or as little as you want. Just to taste. How much do you like?
I love teriyaki sauce.
So tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Eat. Actually, so that was my piece. Oh.
You can still have it if you want. I don't know if I want to eat this tuna.
This is the best part.
The tuna?
No, stealing the food that you guys made.
Oh. Is it your turn to make a roll?
Alright, first we're gonna make a giant mess.
We already did that. Move on.
Okay, then we're gonna put, I'm gonna put the seaweed first because I thought that looked way nicer than when we put the rice down. Alright.
No one talk.
How about 18 pieces from this piece?
There were 4.
The rest of the
How about
pieces.
18?
You probably did.
Did you just eat one?
Nope.
I should get my
I didn't
hand
eat
right.
it.
Well, okay. That's why I was so confused.
It has the tuna in it.
I think the vinegar also needed to be mixed like a lot longer, but I didn't make as much as I wanted to. Like, I thought it was going to be enough because I didn't even follow the instructions. I just kind of threw it in there. Hence why this is a total disaster. Yeah, now that I look like I'm 5. You just kind of stab it.
Just eat sushi in one bite. should also be like half the size.
What else do you put it? Oh, imitation crab. And then you put the imitation crab in, because I'm really good at making tutorials. Just like this, a beautiful sheet. Ta-da!
Oh, we didn't make corn.
Aw. We'll just do that.
It's on the cob, right? Spoil it.
I can't see what I'm doing. That looks perfect. It's my perfect burrito.
Where's your bigger pan?
One smooth cutting motion. Front to back.
Where's the bigger pan? Wow.
Thank you. Down there. I'm the only one who have. More? You guys gonna say bye?
Bye.
Bye.